Hi, I'm Chef Rose, and this cocoa mousse recipe is brought to you by the Moraine Valley Foundation, which thanks you so much for your support. So I'm going to show you how easy this mousse is to make. And Valentine's Day is coming up, and well, you can make it any time of the year, actually. So good. 4 ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and some vanilla extract. Now, a little tip, when you measure cocoa powder, you want to use the spoon. If you dip it in, you might compact it too much. So just a little spoon to get the right amount. And this is how easy it is. Everything in the bowl. Your 2 cups of heavy cream, your half cup of sugar, the cocoa powder, oops, spilled, and some vanilla. I've got vanilla bean paste, I love it. It's a concentrated vanilla. It shows little beans in it, just a little bit of that. And you're gonna whip it up. Super easy, takes less than 5 minutes to whip up. And a good clue to know when it's ready is if the whip stands straight up when you're done. And of course, if you lift it up, you get that nice little peak. So be careful, don't over whip it. It will curdle on you, so. Looks great, tastes great. I'm gonna show you what you can do with this mousse. I made kind of a trifle. It's layers of raspberries, some cookies, and the mousse. And how beautiful is that? So I wanna show you how to assemble this. Here's another little tip. When you get your berries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, lay them out on a paper plate like this. And that way you can pull out the ones that aren't so good, and they'll actually stay fresher for you longer by doing this. And then you can throw them into the freezer if you don't eat them all. And I'm just gonna put a few berries in the bottom. And the mousse. Now I use these cookies. These are great because they're basically Oreos without the filling. And I love them. It's made with black cocoa. Black cocoa? Is there such a thing? Absolutely. Actually, if you see here, this is a natural cocoa, Hershey's or Ghirardelli. I'm a big fan of Ghirardelli. And then it's alkalized, so they add a alkaline to the cocoa powder so it's not so bitter and it becomes darker. And then you put more alkaline and you get a black cocoa. And this is what Oreos is made with. So just a little tip. So I'm gonna finish it with a little bit more mousse. Some more fresh raspberries. And here's a fun little thing you can do. Buy one of these blocks of milk chocolate, or white chocolate, or dark chocolate, whatever you'd like. Ghirardelli, again, is my favorite. A little peeler, and you just make some little curls. And you take this and just come straight down the side like this, and you get these beautiful little chocolate curls for your mousse. And your family, your loved one is gonna be so impressed and go, wow, look at that. And it's yummy too. And you can even make it the night before, even better. Or you could do something as simple as taking that cookie and putting a little bit of the cocoa mousse on top and some fresh strawberries. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Super easy. Again, get a chocolate craving throughout the year, you can make it. So thank you from the foundation. I hope you enjoyed this video.